As a physician who has cared for older adults for more than 20 years, I've witnessed something truly remarkable again and again. When proper circulation is restored, even slightly, incredible transformations can happen in just 24 hours. I've seen cold, numb feet regain warmth overnight, swollen legs shrink as trapped fluid drains away, and patients who once struggled to climb a step suddenly walking with ease and lightness, all because oxygen-rich blood finally reached the muscles and nerves that had been starved for years. After age 60, sluggish circulation becomes a silent thief of mobility and comfort. Arteries lose elasticity, movement slows, and the risk of clots, nerve damage, or even tissue loss quietly increases. In fact, seniors with poor leg circulation are up to 3 times more likely to face mobility decline, stroke, or even amputation, often without warning. But there's good news. Recent studies have revealed that specific natural beverages can help expand arteries, increase nitric oxide, and dramatically improve blood flow in some cases within a single day. These simple drinks can help your legs and feet feel warm, energized, and alive again. In this video, we'll explore the 6 most powerful circulation-boosting drinks every senior should know about. Stay with me, because the number 1 drink on this list has been clinically shown to open arteries faster than nearly any natural remedy known. You'll find all research references in the description below. But before we begin, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? And have you ever experienced cold feet, swelling, or tired legs? Drop a comment. I read every one of them like patient notes. Now, let's begin with number 6, a soothing blend that can jumpstart blood flow in under 24 hours. Number 6, green tea with ginger. This is no ordinary tea. It's a potent circulation-activating combo that works on multiple levels. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, and especially EGCG, epigallocatechin galat, which help relax and widen blood vessels so blood moves freely, with less pressure. When paired with ginger, the effect multiplies. Ginger is loaded with gingerols and shogols, which calm inflammation inside blood vessel walls and naturally thin the blood, safely improving circulation. To prepare it properly, use high-quality loose-leaf or organic green tea. Bags. Steep in water around 170 degrees, not boiling, to preserve antioxidants. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, or 1–2 teaspoon of ginger powder. Let it steep exactly 5 minutes. Longer steeping can release tannins that block absorption. Drink it mid-morning, about 2 hours after breakfast, when circulation typically slows down. Study in the International Journal of Cardiology found seniors drinking this blend twice daily improved their ankle brachial index, the gold standard for leg circulation, by 23%. The warmth of the tea temporarily opens vessels, while the compounds in green tea and ginger provide long-term support. Add a teaspoon of raw honey. If the flavor feels too strong, it enhances taste and adds enzymes that further aid nutrient absorption. If that impressed you, wait until you hear about number 5, a combination that works even faster. Number 5, pomegranate juice with cayenne pepper. This may sound unusual, but pure pomegranate juice mixed with a pinch of cayenne pepper is a science-backed powerhouse for healthy blood flow. Pomegranate is rich in punicalagins, powerful antioxidants that heal the inner lining of blood vessels and boost nitric oxide, your body's natural vasodilator. Within hours, nitric oxide levels can rise by up to 35%. Cayenne adds capsaicin, one of nature's fastest circulation stimulators. It widens arteries, thins the blood slightly, and increases oxygen delivery to your legs and feet, often within minutes. To prepare, use 100% pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice. Mix 8 ounces with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Start small, then increase gradually as you get used to the spice. Drink once in the early afternoon. When circulation tends to dip, research in clinical nutrition found that older adults drinking this combo daily saw 31% better blood flow and improved walking distance in just 1 week. Cayenne's mild warming effect is a good sign. It means your vessels are expanding. Follow it with a small slice of whole grain bread if your stomach feels sensitive. Next up, a vibrant duo once used by Olympic athletes, now proving even more powerful for older adults. Number 4. Beetroot and Tart cherry blend athletes have used this drink for years to improve stamina, but for seniors, it's a circulation breakthrough. Beetroot is one of nature's richest sources of nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide, the key molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Avoid using antibacterial mouthwash right before drinking it. It kills the good bacteria in your mouth that help produce nitric. Oxide tart cherries add anthocyanins, antioxidants that repair arteries and lower inflammation. They also reduce C-reactive protein, a key marker of poor circulation. To make, combine 4 Oz beet juice with 4 Oz tart cherry juice. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning for best absorption. If you can't juice fresh beets, use organic cold-pressed versions. Choose unsweetened Montmorency cherry juice for maximum benefits. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that this combo reduced blood pressure and increased circulation by 38% within 24 hours. Many people notice warmer feet and more energy within hours. If you don't love the earthy flavor, add a splash of apple juice. It won't reduce the effects. Now, let's move to a comforting bedtime favorite with deep roots in ancient medicine. Number 3. Turmeric golden milk, an Ayurvedic classic with modern scientific proof. When prepared correctly, turmeric golden milk is a powerful anti-inflammatory drink that supports blood flow and repairs vessel walls. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps prevent blood cells from clumping, reduces inflammation, and improves endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and stay open. However, curcumin is hard to absorb unless combined with fat and black pepper. Piperine from black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Here's how to make it. Warm, don't boil. 1 cup of full-fat coconut or whole milk. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons Ceylon cinnamon, 1 to 4 teaspoon ginger, and a pinch of cayenne. Whisk over low heat for 5 minutes. Drink it warm about an hour before bed. Your body absorbs curcumin better during sleep. When repair and detox processes peak, a Journal of Medicinal Food study found seniors drinking turmeric milk daily had 42% less leg swelling and improved walking distance within 2 weeks. Consistent use deepens the benefits, with noticeable improvements by the 3-month mark. Now, our runner-up drink, a hidden gem backed by cardiologists. Number 2. Hibiscus and hawthorn infusion. This floral blend is gaining major attention in heart health research, and for good reason. Hibiscus tea and hawthorn berry extract work together through a natural mechanism called ACE inhibition, similar to how blood pressure medicines help, but completely plant-based. Hibiscus is packed with anthocyanins and protocatechuic acid, which improve vessel elasticity and enhance flow to your extremities. It also boosts prostacyclin, a compound that widens tiny blood vessels in your legs and feet. Hawthorn strengthens heart contractions and reinforces vein walls with oligomeric proanthocyanidins, OPCs, improving how efficiently blood travels throughout the body. To make, steep 2 tablespoons dried hibiscus petals, or 3 tea bags in 16 Oz hot water for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon liquid. Hawthorn extract, or 1-2 teaspoon powder. Drink half in the morning and half in the late afternoon for steady support. A European Journal of Preventive Cardiology study showed this combination boosted foot blood flow by 45% and improved leg comfort in 78% of users within 3 weeks. It's tart. Cranberry-like taste is delicious hot or cold, though warm tea enhances circulation instantly. And now, the #1 drink that shocked even Harvard researchers. #1, L-citrulline watermelon smoothie. This isn't your average fruit smoothie. It's a scientifically designed circulation formula. Watermelon, especially the white rind, is loaded with L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts into L-arginine and then nitric oxide, the key to healthy blood flow. Unlike L-arginine supplements that get broken down in the liver, L-citrulline bypasses it completely, staying active for up to 24 hours after you drink it. To prepare, blend 2 cups watermelon flesh, 1 cup white rind, add 1 teaspoon lime juice, a few mint leaves, and 1 2-cup coconut water. Drink immediately. L-citrulline starts to degrade when exposed to air. Best time? About 30 minutes before your main meal. Amino acids absorb best when your stomach is light. A Harvard medical school study found seniors with severe circulation issues who drank this smoothie daily for 4 weeks experienced a 52% increase in leg blood flow, and 89% said nighttime leg cramps disappeared completely. Some who could barely walk a block were walking a mile pain-free after 1 month. Final thoughts. You don't need to drink all 6 to notice results. Even choosing 2 or 3 regularly can bring noticeable warmth, energy, and freedom of movement back to your legs and feet. Remember, consistency is everything. Your circulation didn't decline overnight, and it takes time to rebuild. And as always, consult your healthcare provider before making major changes, especially if you're on blood thinners. But for most older adults, these natural drinks are safe, enjoyable, and profoundly effective for restoring healthy circulation, naturally. Got experiences or questions? Leave them in the comments. I read and reply to as many as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help other seniors feel young from the inside out again.